Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to purchase game from Epic Games using Google Pay. Alright, so let's begin with the video. As you can see, currently we are on the official website for Epic Games. You can get the Epic Games Store on Android, and once you do that and you download it, you can connect it to your Google account. After that, you can click on any game that you might like to purchase, and once you reach that stage of payment, you can choose Google Pay as your option. As you can see, if I go to Epic Games Help Center and see which payment method they accept, you can see they accept Google Pay. So you can download Epic Games for Android. Once you reach that stage of payment, you can choose Google Pay as your option, and that will have your credit card or debit card saved on it. So, that's basically how you can purchase game from Epic Games using Google Pay. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.